Alright guys, I'm here with my Fishman loudbox. So this video is for the guys of the forum, so I don't know, you may find some help in there. So what I did on this amplifier, I was using this amp as I was experimenting with a Helix pedal board. So instead to go into the auxiliary input, I went with a mono on the preamp in return, just like you do in a tube amplifier when you bypass the preamp and go straight on the power amp section of the amplifier, right? So what I did, I think I turned it off, the pedal board, so it popped, and then I didn't saw anything wrong with the amplifier, you know. I didn't saw, I turned it off, and well, a week later I went to use it, and the sound was coming out of only through this is a subwoofer, but it's coming very lean and tiny. Okay, and I have no sounding coming from the main speaker and the tweeter. Okay, so looking inside in there, I have that's a high pass filter, passive high pass filter. So I called the customer service of Fishman, and they're very helpful. So I was able to troubleshoot the head, and there's nothing wrong with the head. That's what they said. Oh well, I have a output mixed signal, and I can go straight on the PA. So I have this signal, nice signal coming out of the preamp, right? Okay, so that's not the problem. So what they said, that may be my output, my output transformer, and I never seen. Well, I never deal with this problem before, so that's the question. So the output transformer is inside of the box, and then send. Oh, I have some fuses in there, so I checked out the fuses already, and the signal, the power comes out of here and goes on this board, whereas I have the capacitor and a lot of little caps in there, and nothing seems to be burning here except that this is the output port that sends signal to the high pass filter, right? And this is the plug, so that comes sound, you know, the signal is coming out of there. So these two, one is positive, another one is negative, another one positive, another negative. So two is working weirdly, but working, and the other one is not working at all. So my question is, do you guys think is that the transformer? Does that cause the sound to change it to I'm not gonna play anything now to it because it's all taken apart, but the only thing I have is coming sound to one speaker only, and I don't think the high pass filter is the problem because I don't have a signal going there, so I mean it's gotta be fine. So the trouble is in between here and there. So does that causes this sound to be, well, if the output transformer was bad, wouldn't everything stop working? That's my question. And there's anything else you guys can recommend me, please help me out there. If not, well, I'm gonna call the guys back tomorrow again, but anyway, I'm just bouncing some ideas there. Well, all right, thank you guys. Thank you.